Vedanti succeed. So in before section we have discussed the exercise 1C, right, of the third Roman. Now we will discuss remaining problems of the third Roman of exercise 1C of a circle. See here, this is the sixth problem. Already we have discussed the fifth problem we have discussed. Okay. Sixth problem. Prove that tangent at 3, minus 2 of a circle x square plus y square equals to 13 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equals to 0 and find its point of contact. Okay. So here in this question they have asked two questions. First one is we have to prove that, and second one is we have to find out the point of contact. What they have asked to prove? See here, for example, not example, in this problem only. So prove that tangent of at a point, they have given one point. So of a circle, that means first circle. This is the circle, right? This is, I will write here, x square plus y square equals to 30. Okay, they have given x square plus y square equals to 30 and touches this circle. So this circle is touches another circle. Touches the circle. Okay, that circle equation is right here. Okay, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 0. So prove that the tangent at, so tangent means this here, at one point they have given a point, that is 3, minus 2. For what circle? For first circle. This is x square plus y square equals to 13. So the equation of tangent, a point, that means a tangent is placing somewhere at a point 1. That point is nothing but in the circle. Which circle? First circle. That is x square plus y square equals to 30. And this is the second circle. This circle is touches the another circle. That circle equation they have given. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? First, we have to find out that equation. First, this is the tangent. That means they have given tangent at a point for the x square plus y square equals to 0. What? Now, we have to find out equation for this tangent. First, we have to find out the equation of the tangent, and then after, already I have said that if two circles touches each other means or equals to d. That means we have to prove that the two circles touches each other means what we have to prove? Or equals to d. Okay. First, this is somewhat difficult only. When you understand the problem, you can easily solve this problem. Okay. First, we'll write what's the given. What's the given here? First circle. That means first circle. X square plus y square equals to 30. This is first circle. Now second circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 0. This is second circle. So they have given two circles. Okay. From the first circle, from 1. That means from the 1, we have, what they have that? First we have to prove that tangent. First we have to find out, step 1 is we have to find out equation of tangent. That means they have given a point, that point to this. So from the first equation of tangent. So they have given one point, right? That means point, what's the given? 3, minus 2. So first we have to find out the equation of tangent. What? At 3, minus 2. That means here somewhere is the 3, minus 2. we have to find out this equation of tangent at somewhere, that means 3 comma minus 2. From the first equation, what means, there is a formula x(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Okay, already we know that this equation, already we have discussed this equation in before section. If you have to see that before section, I'll give in the description box the link. Okay, what's the x1 and y1? This is the x1 and y1. What's the g and f? So from the first equation, we have to find out this center. From the 1, that means x square plus y square equals to 13. Here g is 0, f is 0, that nothing but, c is nothing but, center is nothing but 0 comma 0. Okay, and c is nothing but 13. Now we have to substitute this point, that means g and f in this, and x1 and y1 is nothing but this is only. Okay, now we have to substitute x1 y1 here and g and f this, and c is nothing but 13. Okay, then you will get the equation of tangent, x into 3 plus y into minus 2 minus 13. Okay, 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. Let's think this is equation number 3. Okay, now we have find out this equation of tangent, but what we have to find out, we have to prove that r equals to d. From the first equation, we have find out the equation of tangent. Now from the second equation, from 2, what's the second equation? 2, this is the equation, right? So 2g equals to 2, g equals to 1. 2f equals to minus 10, f equals to minus 5. Center is nothing but minus 1 comma 5. Why? Because minus g comma minus f is center. So minus and minus into minus, let's get 5. And c here is minus 26. So here the center is minus 1 comma 5. Okay. From the second equation, we have find out the center and the c equals to minus 26. From the second equation, we have to find out r. What's the formula for r? Is g square plus f square minus c. Substitute this. 1 plus 25 plus 2. That's nothing but we'll write as the 13 4s. So we can write as 13 into 4. That equals to root 4 is nothing but 2. So 2 root 13. Or equals to nothing but 2 root 13. Okay. Question of 2. Question 3. Is a tangent. That means is a tangent, right? That equation 3 is a tangent of equation 2. That means equation of tangent. That means what we have here, we have substitute that point in the first circle. That is equation of tangent. From the equation of tangent of equation 2, I will write here. This is like this. This point is nothing but minus 1 comma 5. And this is here point, right? That is point of contact, h comma k. In next step, we will find out this value. Okay, first we will prove that two circles touches each other. This line is nothing but, what's the line mark? 3x minus 2y minus 13. Okay, that's the equation of tangent. From this, r equals to d. What's the r for this second equation? 2 root 13. We have to prove that. D. D is, what's the formula? ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So 2 root 13. So This is x1 comma y1. That means point. That point is minus 1 comma 5. From the equation of tangent, that is 3x minus 2y minus 13, right? 3 into minus 1. This point, that's equation of this. Write this diagram, decide this. Minus 2 into 5 minus into minus plus 13 by, sorry, minus only. Why? Because plus root of 9 plus 25. No, 4. 3 3s are 9, 4. So 2 root 13, that equals to minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 by root 13. Okay? Minus 26 by root 13. So I'll write here. So minus 26 means 26. Okay, I'll write here. So 2 root 13 equals to, that means 26. Mod means it will remove the negative number, negative value. So 26 I can write as 2 into 13 by root 13. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that R equals to D. For that only, so we can write 13 as root 13 into root 13 by root 13. You can write 13 as like this. So root 13 get cancelled, and 2 root 13 and root 2. So first question we have shown that means R equals to D. Next, in next what they have asked, we have to find out this point of contact. That means we have to find out the value. That point touches, right? That point we have to find out. Nothing but point of contact. H comma K. Already I have said that a formula here for the point of contact. So there is a formula, point of contact Q. Let's think this is Q. The point H comma K, that is H minus x1 for this only. This diagram also for this also. Okay, for this point of contact to find out, the diagram is this only. That is x1 is nothing but minus 1, y1 is 5, and this is ax plus by plus c. Okay, don't confuse in it. Write these diagrams in exam also. Don't forget to write this. So definitely you have to write these diagrams. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. You have to remember this is a formula for the point of contact. Wherever you see the point of contact, they have given, if they have given one point on the tangent means this only. Okay. Now substitute. Now what we have to find out? That point, that means nothing but h comma k. H minus of minus 1. A here is 3. This diagram also for this. Okay. On that side you have to write this. By. Don't write here mod. Here no mod. Okay, don't confuse this. For the D formula and for this, here no mod. That is nothing but 2, right? So I'll write here directly. So solve this, then you will get 6 k equals to 2 2s are minus 4. If it goes that side means minus 4. Minus 5 means minus 4 plus 5. That equals to 1. Then nothing but h comma k equals to 5 comma 1. That is point of contact. Okay. First, understand the problem what they have asked. First, they have said that to prove that this two circles. They have given circles equation and we have to prove that two circles are touches each other. And next thing means we have to find out that point, touches point, that point of contact. That point of contact formula is this only. Okay. Next we go for the 7th problem. Same as like before only. Show that the tangent at -1, 2 of a circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equals to 0 touches the x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 0 and also find its point of contact. So same as before problem, but in before they have asked prove that, in this question show that. There is no difference between them. Okay. First we'll write what's the question. Two circles. Write the diagram. That circle is x square plus y square. Okay. Next another circle. This circle is okay, x square. Okay, this is the circle, second circle question. Okay, first I have to write given. Given first equation is x square y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 7 equals to 0. This is first equation. From the first equation what we have to find out? Center. In before already it is in 0. There is no z and f. But here is there. 2g equals to minus 4. G equals to minus 2. 2f equals to minus 8. F equals to minus 4. C equals to 7. Center means it will become as 2, 4. How to find out equation of tangent at, they have given one point, at a point, that point is this equation of tangent at point nothing but -1, 2. Okay, from that point we have to find out equation of tangent by using this circle equation. So what's the formula? X(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. For this there is, we don't want c. Okay, x into, what's the x1 minus 1 plus y into 2. What's the g value? Don't confuse and don't write this. G means minus 2. Many students will do here also mistake. So minus 4. Okay. Minus 4 plus f plus 2 plus 7 equals to 0. Now solve this. Minus x plus 2y minus 2x plus 2 minus 4y minus 8 plus 7 equals to 0. So minus 3x minus 2y, so plus 1 equals to 0. What I have said? So the x coefficient should be, every time it should be as positive only. So to become positive, what I have to take? Minus as common. Then it will become as 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. That minus will go that side, means it will become as 0. Okay. This is the equation. Let's think this is 3. Why? Because this is second equation. Okay. Don't confuse. You write in upside only this equation as equation number 2. This is the equation of tangent. This is the equation of tangent. 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Our next step what? We have to find out for the second equation center and the radius. This is the second circle equation, x square plus y square. From this equation what we have to find out? Center. Center and C, that means R. 4, 2f equals to 6. C is 0. Okay, leave it. center, that is -2 comma -3. I'll write here r equals to 4 plus 9 plus 0, that means -0, that equal 30. Now what we have to do next step after finding the center of the second equation, that is center is -2 comma -3. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to prove that r equals to d. R here is √13. Same as like before only. Don't confuse in that. Okay. √13. Right? Now what we have to substitute? This point. Again, this point from this equation. This point is -2 comma -3. This is 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So 3 into -2 plus 2 into -3 minus 1 by root of 9 plus 4. So √13 equals to, that is -13 by √13. That equals to, here √13 equals to √13. So we have proved that r equals to d. Next what we have to prove? We have to prove that point of contact. We have to find out this point h comma k. So point of contact. H minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b equals to minus of x1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So h plus 2 by 3, this from this only. Don't confuse where these points are, where that madam has written, what's the equation, what is a, don't confuse in it. This only, this 2 equals to minus of, that means you have to substitute. I have already substituted in before, that only I have written directly. So h plus 2 equals to 3. K plus 3 equals to 2. What's the h value? 1. K is -1. H comma k is nothing but 1 comma -1. That is the value of point of contact. Okay. Okay, we have completed 6th and 7th problem of the exercise 3. So this is our IIT question which they have asked in 2003. The equation of circle which passes through the origin and makes intercept of length 4 and 8 on the x and y axis respectively. Okay, for first year student I am asking the general questions for them, and for the second year student I am asking one IIT question. You have to answer me in the comment if you know the answer. So we will discuss how to solve this problem in next section. If you have any doubts, raise your comment in our comment box, and thank you.